Now to look through my BTS albums here. So I'll set the ones that are sealed over to the side. And we'll start off with the Best of BTS Korea edition. Wow, they look amazing. There is the track list. That is just beautiful. And this is a very thick jewel case too. It's not thin, like old style jewel case CDs. And there's the physical CD right here. Okay, and I think this has a little bit of a photo book in it. This is glossy. Don't know if you can tell, but that is very reflective. Super glossy, like photo paper. I hate to get my fingerprints all over that. There's the back of it. So we'll go ahead and take a look at the pictures in here. Oh my goodness, wow. Oh. They look beautiful. See if I missed anybody. I did. I missed Jin and J-Hope. I can't miss those two. Wow. They look amazing. So beautiful. Anyway, enough of that. Let's move on. I think the rest is lyrics. Yeah, all lyrics. Okay, so that was the Best of Korea edition of BTS. I'm gonna pause this so you don't have to watch me doing this. Okay, so here is Young Forever, the Day edition. And You Never Walk Alone. Now I know this should have a photo card in here somewhere. But I don't want to. I guess we'll just find it in here. I'd like to hide it, but I'm just gonna go ahead and look through the book. To start off with, beautiful photos right off, just like that. So Jin and J-Hope on this side, and we have Jin. So baby face looking there, Jin. J-Hope, Jin, Namjoon, Tae. Oh, all four of them. They look incredible. Oh my gosh, J-Hope. Wow. You look so good. Love this shot of the 4 boys right there. Namjoon. Okay, there's something coming out here. 2 things. Okay. I'm going to stick them up here at the top. So 2 items came out. Thank goodness they were turned the other way. Namjoon looking good in this photo shoot. Wow, look at those 2 boys. Beautiful photos. Wow. I know there's one more edition of this, and I think it's where they're on the beach. If I can eventually find that, I will. Oh my gosh, JK. He has almost like, it's like light brown, reddish kind of color hair. Oh my goodness. Looks good on him. Now he's a blonde. And he's wrecking everybody. Look at Jimin. Oh my gosh. And Yoongi. Oh my gosh, they are so cute. Look at that smile. Jimin, oh my gosh. He looks really great in these photos. Beautiful person. Beautiful people. Oh my gosh, look at that face. Yoongi and Jimin, oh my gosh. They look beautiful in in these photos from this. Wow, I didn't know what I was missing out on not having this in my collection. Well, now I do have it, so I don't have to worry. They are breathtaking. Got J-Hope with confetti falling. Cute little smile. Oh my gosh. Namjoon and J-Hope. JK. Jimin. Yoongi. Oh my gosh, Yoongi. Oh wow, I like that with the paint on his hands. JK cracking up and Yoongi's just like, okay, and Jimin's just like playing it cool. He's cracking up though, and Yoongi's, you know, starting to smile there, but now Jimin's smiling a itsy bit. Oh my gosh, I love this photo session here. Wow, wow, wow. Oh my gosh, they are killing me here. Jin and Hobie. Oh, too cute. Look at those 3. So adorable. And then over here, I guess it's a group shot though. It's just cut in half. Then we got Tae looking adorable, and Namjoon, Yoongi looks like he's about to go to sleep or he's sleeping. And Jimin, they all look great. What am I saying? They're all beautiful people. Oh my gosh. This shoot, oh my god. I just love this. I love this photo book so much. Big Hit did a fantastic job with the pictures of the boys from this version. I just need to get the one off where they're on the beach too. Playing around, throwing that paint. Got Tae and Yoongi. Oh, BTS slay in this photo shoot, let me tell you. They all slayed me. All right, and there's the music CD. Is popping right out of there. So, yeah, I just need the other version of this and it'll be complete. So let's see what I got here. I don't know if there's only one photo card. I don't know what this is. I don't know if it's an advertisement or a photo. It's an advertisement. Okay. Darn. I was hoping it was like a Polaroid or something, but no Polaroid in here, just a photo card. And I think I can tell by the Jen always loves me. I always pull lots of Jen all the time. So Jen loves me. There he is. It's Jen. So cute. So there we go. That was the photo card that I pulled from this set. And I'm not ever going to trade my cards that I pull. I feel like they're, especially for me. So, but Jen always comes at me a lot. I always get a lot of Jen, Yoongi. I've pulled J-Hope a few times too. Namjoon as well. I think I've got all of the boys before. I mean, I always get them each member. So, but I've pulled a lot of, I don't know, I think I've pulled like 2 or 3 or 4 of each member anyway from different sets. So, but yeah, I think I've gotten each and every member. I think the one I don't get the most is Jimin, I think. I think he kind of eludes me a little. I've pulled him a couple of times though, but all right, that's for this unboxing. Let's move on and take a look at Young Forever. Okay, let's slide it out of here. Set that aside. We'll get a look at the box. They're in the hot air balloon. Young Forever. And the back side with the track list. Okay, so I'll go ahead and move the box out of the way. I believe this is what the CD comes in right here. So we got the boys there in the hot air balloon. 2 CDs. Cool. All right, there they are, 2 CDs. A poster? Oh my goodness. Okay, I don't remember this had a poster with it, but I think it's of them in a hot air balloon. My birds are really chatty right now. All right, so yeah, it's the hot air balloon poster, and they're like a little tiny image. But the hot air balloon's pretty. And here's the photo book. Okay, that's the photo book. And I believe this is just a thing here. Okay. JK. Yep, I pull a lot of JK too. Oh my gosh, how cute. Kissy face, JK, so adorbs. All right, so that was my photo card I pulled from Young Forever Day Edition. All right, that is today's videos for my latest items that I've had in my collection. So hope you enjoyed looking through everything with me, and see you next time.